Hello mga Ka-Burps, good morning and welcome back to my channel, Botch Burps. So today is Sunday and it's only 5:30 in the morning. Maaga ako lumabas sa room ko kasi naisip ko na gagawin ko na nga itong vlog na to. Ngayon, ang ginagawa ko, I am all alone because everybody else is sleeping kasi nga maaga pa, nagko-coffee lang ako dito. Tapos, naisip ko na i-shoot ko na tong video na to. Para later, ang gagawin na lang is i-shoot na lang yung food preparation mismo. Ang naisip ko na dish for today, kasi di ba yesterday, I was at the supermarket and while I was walking dun sa portion, dun sa midsection rather, while I was walking there, sa midsection ng supermarket, nakita ko na maganda yung quality ng mga pata nila. Kaya, naisip ko bigla yung brother-in-law ko. Yung brother-in-law ko na nasa Manila sila now. Doon sila nakatira. And when I visited them, together with my law school friends and doon sa staff ko before, kasama rin namin siya. Nag-prepare kasi ng pagkain yung brother-in-law ko. At isa sa mga pinrepare ng food for us is yung pininyahang pata. At nagustuhan ko talaga yun. Kaya naisip ko na gawin siya ngayon. At what I did kasi is not really the same dun sa ginawa niya. Although very similar, pero meron akong ginawang technique na para mas ma-absorb kaagad ng meat yung juice natin or yung marinade natin mismo. So I've used pineapple juice and soy sauce, tapos syempre crushed garlic dun sa marinade nung pininyahang pata natin. Ang ginawa ko last night, minarinate ko na sila kasi once na overnight marination ang gagawin natin sa mga pagkain natin, kung possible naman, di ba? Kung possible naman, mas i-absorb kasi na yung flavor nung marinade. Kaya tendency, magiging problema mo na lang the next day or magiging challenge na lang would be the sauce nung sauce or sabaw, however you want to call it, nung dish mo mismo. Okay, so yun muna for now when I'll be right back mamaya kapag gagawin na natin mismo yung ating pininyahang pata. Just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye! Hello mga ka-Burps, I'm officially back. Sabi ko naman sa inyo kanina, babalikan ko kayo. At kapag sinabi ko na babalik ako, babalik talaga ako. Hindi ako tulad ng iba dyan. So, kidding aside, na-prepare ko na pala yung mga kakailanganin natin for today's menu. Yung pininyahang pata natin. And I'm gonna show them to you again one by one kung ano ba yung mga gagamitin natin. And take note, there is no secret ingredient dito. Okay? So, lahat ng recipes na binibigay ko sa inyo are actually all out. Ibig sabihin, wala akong inipit na kahit anong ingredient. Okay? So, I'm gonna show them to you now. So, ito na nga yung mga ingredients na gagamitin natin for this menu item. Okay? Unang-una, syempre, hindi nawawala yung ating crushed garlic. Ito. Tapos, pinagsama ko na lang sila ng container ng ating native onions. So, I've also used 4 native onions, tapos 1 head of garlic. Tapos, itong liquid na to, ito actually yung, what do you call that? Yung sabaw nung ating pineapple chunks. So, ito yung pineapple chunks natin. I've used about 400 grams ng pineapple chunks. Tapos, hindi mawawala, syempre, ang ating salt. Tapos, ang ating black pepper na powderized and ang ating granulated sugar. I just don't have an available brown sugar, but itong white sugar na to would also be good for replacement kung wala tayong brown sugar, okay? And then, as I have mentioned sa inyo kanina, ito na yung marinated natin na mga pata, okay? So, ito yung gagamitin natin. This is about 1.5 kilograms. Yun. So, mga ka-burps, muna ako dito, okay? Katulad kanina, ipi-preheat lang natin yung ating non-stick pan and I'm not also gonna use oil. So, kapag na-preheat na siya, una natin ilalagay din are the crushed garlic, okay? Mga kinrush nating garlic. So, let's keep it on a medium flame once na preheat na siya. So, lalagay natin yung crushed garlic muna. And after placing the crushed garlic, of course, flatly again, ilalagay natin yung ating mga marinated na pata. Okay, so make sure na hindi sila ulit magpapatong-patong. Just like my instruction dun sa adobo kasi we want them to be evenly cooked. Ayan. So same thing, after kumalagay lahat ng pata natin, we have to cover yung ating non-stick pan. But wait, before covering it pala, kung kanina nilagyan natin ng pure soy sauce yung ating adobo para i-simmer natin siya, correct? Ngayon, ang ilalagay natin naman is yung marinade natin. This is again a mixture of canned pineapple juice and soy sauce. So we're gonna pour it onto our pata for it to simmer. This time, simmering nito is not the same as the chicken. Kasi kanina, di ba, yung chicken only took us 10 minutes to simmer it. However, ito, kasi mas matigas to at mas kailangan natin tong i-tenderize, we have to simmer it for about 30 minutes. And then, we're gonna check it kung okay na siya. If it's pork tender already, then, or even half pork tender lang, we will put the other ingredients nun, okay? Para ma-assure lang natin kasi kahit na magbigay tayo ng oras, minsan hindi sapat yung oras na binibigay natin. No joke. Depende kasi yun sa type, di ba, nang nabili natin na meat. May meat na mas tough, merong meat na mas tender. Yun. So, let's check this out after 30 minutes. I'll be right back. At hindi pa rin ako tapos magkape. No, this is my second cup actually. So there you go guys, I have here with me my fork already. Kaya i-check na natin. Natapos na, time is up yung 30 minutes natin na steamer natin yung ating mga pata. Now, we're gonna check if they are already fork tender or even just half fork tender mga Ka-Burps. So, let me go ahead. Okay, so these are perfect already mga Ka-Burps. Now, after 30 minutes of simmering it or kung gaano man kayo katagal mag-simmer kasi iba-iba nga yung mga toughness ng ating mga pwedeng mabiling karne, ilalagay na natin ngayon yung onion. So let's place the native onions and then after that we're gonna pour onto our simmering pata yung juice ng ating pineapple chunks. Okay, so do it slowly. There. Let's spread it. Okay. Pag nalagay na natin lahat ng juice, aside doon sa ginamit natin na soy sauce for our marinade, lalagyan natin ulit siya ng soy sauce. Ang measurement ko dito is 1 cup ng soy sauce. And then let's place the pepper. Yung pepper na to, 1 teaspoon ng powdered pepper natin. Then let's never forget the pinch of salt. Oh, lakas maka-salt bay. Tapos let's cover our pata again. Okay, and let's wait for another 10 minutes para ma-incorporate lang yung juice and yung soy sauce. And then after that, we're gonna place the sugar na. And lastly, itong ating pineapple chunks. Okay? So, dyan lang kayo. Ayun na nga mga Ka-Burps. Tapos na naman ang 10 minutes. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, ilalagay na natin finally yung sugar and then ilalagay na rin natin yung ating pineapple chunks or pineapple tidbits rather. Yun. So, gagawin ko na siya. Unahin na natin itong sugar. Ang measurement ko sa sugar nito is 5 tablespoons. Kasi this has to be a little sweet. Unlike the regular adobo na niluto natin yesterday. Yan. So, after that, ilalagay na natin yung ating pineapple chunks or tidbits. Ayan. Tapos na naman yung another 30 minutes natin. Ngayon, i-check na natin kung fully fork tender na yung ating pininyahang pata. Kapag yung mga pata natin fully fork tender na, that would only mean na okay na sila to serve. Let's go and check. Ayun, perfect. Malambot na siya. Fork tender na talaga siya. Look at it. So, ibig sabihin niya, luto na yung ating pininyahang pata. Kaya ang gagawin natin, ipi-plate ko lang siya. Tapos mamaya, papakita ko after ng plating natin. Okay? Gonna see you again. Hello mga Ka-Burps! Welcome back to me.
Ito na po yung result ng ating niluto kanina na pininyahang pata. Ayan. It's tender and it's juicy. So thank you very much for being with me today. And I want to see you again only here at Botch Burps. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.